Hello, viewers all over the world. I remain your humble mathematician, Godwin Honor, otherwise known as GONS, Godwin Honor Mathematics Solution. Okay, so let us consider the next episode, which is episode 22. And the question says, express 0.0040752 to three significant figures. Express 0.0040752 to three significant figures. Analysis and a solution. Okay, this is a decimal, question. It's a decimal number or decimal fraction, as you can see it. Is decimal fraction, and from the topic fraction. Okay, and whenever a question like this is given, it's either you'll be asked or required to approximate to a certain number of significant figures or a certain number of decimal places. But for this question, we are expected or required to express toward three significant figures. So it's very simple. So how do you resolve this kind of question? So by resolving this kind of question, first and foremost, you have to, first of all, rewrite it, and also you solve by inspection. Looking at it, if you are familiar with the decimal fraction, and whereby you are asked to approximate, you know what I mean. There's what we call round-off and round-off, which we have to apply it here. When a number is up to 5 and above, you round it up. That is, you consider it to be 1. And when it's not up to 5, you round it up. That is, you consider it to be 0. Okay, so let's, start. So rewrite it first. 0. Okay, this is a 0.0040752 toward three significant figure. Okay, from here, you can see that we start from the left-hand side, from the decimal point here. The first two digits here are 0 digits. So you must not start counting, from them or with them. You have to skip the two 0 digits. Then your first significant digit should be 4, which you have to start your counting now. So this is your first significant digit. The second one, which is 0, the third one, which is the 7. And the third one, you are expected to what? To approximate to three significant figures. So you stop here. But after this 7, consider the next digit, which is 5, which is up to what? 1. If you are to approximate it with the rules of a rounding up and a round off. So it's up to what? Up to 5. So we round it up to 1. Add that 1 to 7. It becomes 8. So your answer will be 0.00408. And that is how you have to write it. Okay, so that is 0.00408 because of we have rounded it up. We have considered 5 to be 1. We added it to 7. It becomes 8. So at the end, you must attach what? Say 3 significant figures to show that it's a significant figure that you have, expressed it to or converted it to. Because I told us that you can equally, approximate it to other decimal places, apart from a significant figure. But what we are required here is a significant figure, and that is why we have to indicate it here. 3 significant figure, and that is all to this. But there's something that I noticed with students. In most cases, when they must have written it like this, you see then they will turn this one to 0, 0. So it's not done when it comes to decimal fraction. But if it's ordinary whole number, let's assume that we have 4075200. Then you are asked to express this one to what? To 3 significant figures. So starting from here, you have 407. And since this one is up to 5 and above, you consider it to be 1. Add it to this one. So here will now change. You understand? To 8. Then from here, turn it to 0, 0. So that is 0, 0, 0, 0. Then to 3 what? Significant figure. Okay? Do you see it? This one is different from this. So when it's a decimal fraction, this is how you treat it. But when it's whole number, this is how you treat it. So right? So that is all to this question. That's all to this question. Thank you.